So, given question is asked in GATE CSE 2005. They have given the following C function takes two ASCII strings and determine whether one is an anagram of each other. So, what is an anagram? An anagram of a string S is a string obtained by permuting the letters in S. So, what they have said is if a string S is given and if we permute the letters of that string, so that will be an anagram of that. So suppose we have a string xyz, so suppose we have permute the letters z and y, so this will become xzy, which will be anagram of each other. We cannot include a new letter. Okay, so let us go further. So choose the correct alternative for statement A and B. They have given this program. What should we write in place of A and B? So it should work properly to check whether two strings are anagram of each other or not. Okay. So what is the basic idea behind this? They have taken a count integer type array with size of 128. Why they have taken 128? Because the range of ASCII values are from 0 to 127, which is total by 128. So there are two strings A and B are passed to this function. Okay. So suppose this is string A, this is string A, and this is string B. Okay. Now let us see. While A of J and B of J, it means at till the string A and B both have letters, so this loop will be continued. So how can we check this? So one of the idea could be if we take first character of string A and increment the value which depicts the element in count array. Okay, so because value of ASCII value of x is what, 120. Okay, so whenever x encounters, we will increase uh, this index 120, and when it encounters in string b, we will decrement it. So if they are equal to each other, it means number of times x encounter in string a and number of times b encounter in string b. If both are same, then index after looping, this index 120 will be 0 again. Okay, so for this there could be both of things. Either we will increment for string b and then decrement for a, or we are incrementing for a and then decrement for b. So let us check for option. Okay, so what the option D says, count a of j plus plus. So what is the value a of j? Initially they have taken the j value 0. Okay, so a of 0 is x. So ASCII value of x is 120, and what they have done is plus plus. So this 120 will become 0 to 1. Okay, now for statement B, count of v of j plus plus, then they have done decrement. Okay, so because of post increment, this will affect further. So what is the v of 0? V of 0 is x. Minus minus means this one will become 0. Okay, and then j value will become 1. So let us see here this also. Initially j value was 0, and when this statement a and b run for first time, so j value will become 1. Now we will check for a of 1. What is the value of a of 1? That is y. So what is the ASCII value of y? That is 121. So plus plus means this 121 will become 1. Now what is the value of v of 1? That is z. Okay, so v of z, the ASCII value of z will be what, 122. So this will become minus minus. Okay, so this will become minus 1. Now j plus plus means value of j will become 2 now. Okay, after that, what is the value of a of 2? Z. Plus plus means this minus 1 will become 0 again. Now we will check for v of 2. What is the value of v of 2? Y. Minus minus. So this will become 0. Okay, and after that this 2 will become 3 and this while loop will become false. So we will come out from the while loop. Now there is a loop for j from 0 to 127 will run because of j less than 128, and here a condition with if statement is checked. If count of j, okay, then return 0. It means if anywhere in array count each value is other than 0, it means 1, 2 or any other thing, then this will return false, otherwise it will return true. Now if we see throughout the count array, each element has the value 0. It means the string A and B are anagram of each other. Okay, if it is not anagram of each other, so it is for sure at any of the place we will have value other than 0, and because of this if statement it will return false. So what will be our correct option? Option D, because it is checking first A of string A and incrementing the value for its elements, and after that it is decrementing the value for B string. Okay, so our correct option is option D. Okay, so what we are doing in option D is first we are incrementing for string A and decrementing for string B. If they are anagram of each other, then our count array will be 0 at last and if it is true, so it will return true if all the elements are 0 of count array. If it is not, so it will return false. Okay, I hope you got the answer. Thank you.